Radiall's SPPC family of single-pole power connectors is designed as a safe and reliable high-current connector, with applications in power distribution, utilities, electric vehicles, railway equipment, and more. The SPPC PWL series is rated for up to 750 amps and 1000 volts, while the SPPC HK is a more compact version that is rated for up to 400 amps and 1250 volts. The connectors are color-coded and mechanically keyed to prevent connection errors, and both are rated for 500 mating cycles minimum. The SPPC LJP lug joint protector is designed for temporary connection of cables pre-terminated with copper lugs and is rated for 780 amps and 1000 volts. All SPPC connectors are IP67 sealed when mated.